Meaning of flatbed trailer.
Flatbed trailer.
Flatbed trailer.
Flatbed trailer.
Flatbed trailer. A flatbed trailer is a type of trailer with an open, flat deck. It is commonly used for transporting large cargo such as construction machinery, lumber, and heavy equipment. The absence of walls or a roof allows for easy loading and unloading of goods from any side or angle. Flatbed trailers come in many sizes and configurations, with some featuring removable sides or ramps for added versatility. They are typically attached to a truck or tractor unit by a fifth-wheel hitch and are widely used in the transportation industry for their flexibility and convenience.